Have you ever reached the end of the month, looked at your bank account, and wondered where all your money went? You work hard, earn a paycheck, and maybe even tell yourself that this will be the month you finally start saving. But somehow, unexpected expenses, small purchases, and daily spending seem to eat away at your income before you even realize it. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The reality is that most people don't struggle financially because they don't earn enough money. They struggle because they don't have a clear picture of where their money is going. That's why learning how to budget is one of the most valuable financial skills you can develop. The good news is that budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need advanced spreadsheets or a finance degree. All you need is a simple budget audit. Think of it as a financial checkup that helps you understand your current situation before making improvements. The first step is calculating your monthly income. Look at all the money that comes into your account each month, including your salary, side hustles, freelance work, or any other income sources. Focus on the amount you actually receive after taxes and deductions. This number is the foundation of your entire budget. Next, review your bank and credit card statements from the last 30 days. Go through every transaction and categorize your spending into groups such as housing, groceries, transportation, entertainment, subscriptions, dining out, and shopping. This step can be eye-opening. Many people are surprised to discover how much money disappears through small, seemingly harmless purchases. A coffee here, a subscription there, and a few impulse buys can add up to hundreds of dollars every month. Once you've organized your expenses, it's time to identify spending leaks. These are expenses that don't genuinely improve your life or bring lasting value. Maybe you're paying for subscriptions you rarely use. Maybe you're ordering takeout more often than you realized. The goal isn't to eliminate everything you enjoy. It's to cut back on waste so you can direct more money toward the things that truly matter. Now separate your expenses into 3 simple categories: needs, wants, and goals. Needs are essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Wants are things you enjoy but could live without if necessary. Goals include saving, investing, and paying off debt. This is where many financially successful people think differently. Instead of spending first and saving what's left over, they save and invest first, then spend what remains. The next step is creating a spending plan. Give every dollar a purpose before the month begins. Set realistic limits for each category and track your progress throughout the month. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about taking control. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can make better decisions and avoid financial stress. Finally, review your budget every month and make adjustments when needed. No budget is perfect from the start. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Small improvements repeated month after month can completely transform your financial future. Imagine where you could be 1 year from today if every dollar had a purpose. Imagine having a growing savings account, investments working for you, and the confidence that comes from knowing you're in control of your finances. That's the power of budgeting. Financial freedom doesn't begin when you earn more money. It begins when you manage the money you already have wisely. If you found this video helpful and want more practical strategies on building wealth, investing smarter, and achieving financial freedom, make sure to join our free newsletter through the link in the description. Every week, we share valuable insights designed to help you take control of your financial future. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content on money, business, and wealth building.